It's another cantankerous roots play. Garfield reads Money More.
So you're trying to tell me that you're a
thief. A full-fledged BLA Tekka. I take from the system, we take from the eye.
Can I ask you a question? Do you think that attitude is in love with you?
The I and I love thing is spirit Tekka do it. If you are spirit take me, my spirit take her, two take one other. Me a Tekka, full-fledged diabolic Tekka. Next question.
I'm going to give you some money, you see, that you can buy some things for the holiday.
You know, it's very obvious that your mental capacity has disallows you to understand certain aspects of life.
Listen, beautiful speaking can't buy food. Beautiful speaking can't buy clothes. Beautiful speaking can't pay bills. Money! Money! Make your move.
Miss Mama, Mr. Greenwood is not my father. I'm Pop Chow, and I'm a brother. But what kind of slackness this I want to eat? Attitude! Man was here before the word. And in the beginning was the word. You can't done them.
Money More.
Go on, Driva.
Don't ask me, actually.
Go on, Driva.
It was terrible when I asked her to lower her music.
Then if she asks if you turn down the music, all you have to do is turn down the flipping music. And if the music I play too loud, all you have to do is cock you, strike it here. Who a politician? Eh? You are Peter Bundry? You are Peter Phillips? Eh? Who don't live in the sea house? Who don't eat in the sea house? From Mama P. Gone. Who don't just live bad?
For me to be with a man, the man has to at least catch my eyes.
Money not catch your eye. Oh, God, Jesus. They won't be a minute.
Money More. Opening Friday, July 19 at Green Gables Theater.